In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Bybit to Binance safely using an on-chain withdrawal. This is a very common process if you trade on multiple exchanges or want to consolidate your funds into one place. The key here is making sure the asset and network match perfectly, and I'll walk you through that step by step. This method works for most cryptocurrencies like USDT, BTC, ETH, and more. And once you understand it, you'll be able to move funds between exchanges with confidence. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Binance. Once you're logged in, go to Assets. This is where Binance shows your wallet balances and lets you add or receive funds. Inside Assets, click on Add Funds. This option is used when you want to receive crypto into your Binance account from another platform or wallet. Now select the crypto you want to send to Binance. Make sure this is the same asset you plan to withdraw from Bybit. For example, USDT or Bitcoin. Next, Binance will ask you to choose a network, also called a chain. This is extremely important. Choose the network you intend to use, such as TRC20, ERC20, or BEP20. Once selected, copy the deposit address that Binance generates for you. Keep this page open or copy the address somewhere safe. You'll need it in a moment. Now open the Bybit app and log into your account. From the bottom menu, go to Wallet, then tap on Withdraw. In the Withdrawal section, search for and select the same crypto asset you chose on Binance. Again, the asset name must match exactly. Next, choose the same network you selected on Binance. This step is critical. Sending crypto on the wrong network can result in permanent loss of funds. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier into the withdrawal address field. Double-check the address carefully to make sure it matches exactly. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, review the transaction details, and confirm everything looks correct. Finally, tap Withdraw and complete the required security verification, which may include email confirmation, two-factor authentication, or biometric verification. Once submitted, Bybit will process the withdrawal. You can track its progress in your withdrawal history. After blockchain confirmation, the crypto will appear in your Binance wallet. And that's it. You've successfully transferred crypto from Bybit to Binance using an on-chain withdrawal. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.